Good morning everyone, this is your GK class and we will study few chapters of GK in this video. This is chapter number 21, Indian Nobel Laureates, and what we have to do here, we have to match the Indian Nobel Laureates with their respective achievements. So first is Rabindranath Tagore. What was his achievement? He won the Nobel Prize in 1913 for literature and the first Indian to receive it. इन्होंने 1913 में लिटरेचर के लिए नोबेल प्राइज मिला था एंड ये फर्स्ट इंडियन थे इसको रिसीव करने वाले. सेकेंड इज कैलाश सत्यार्थी. कैलाश सत्यार्थी he won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 for campaign on children's right of education. कैलाश सत्यार्थी ने 2014 में नोबेल प्राइज जीता था जिस अपने कैंपेन के लिए जो कि उन्होंने बच्चों के राइट्स और एजुकेशन के लिए निकाला था. थर्ड, मदर टेरेसा. मदर टेरेसा won the Nobel Peace Prize for helping the poor and dying. मदर टेरेसा को नोबेल प्राइज दिया गया था गरीबों को और मरते हुए लोगों को हेल्प करने के लिए. फोर्थ इज सुब्रमण्यम चंद्र शेखर. He won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1983. Fifth is C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930 and the first Indian scientist to win this prize. इन्होंने फिजिक्स के लिए 1930 में नोबेल प्राइज जीता एंड वो फर्स्ट इंडियन साइंटिस्ट थे इस प्राइज को जीतने वाले. सिक्स इज वेंकटरमन रामकृष्ण. He won the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 2009. Seventh is Amartya Sen. He won the Nobel Prize for Economics Studies in 1998. 8. Har Gobind Khurana. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1968 jointly with Robert W. Hooley. इन्हें भी नोबेल प्राइज मिला था फिजियोलॉजी और मेडिसिन में 1968 में along with Robert W. Hooley. Rajendra K. Pachauri. Rajendra K. Pachauri was the chairman of panel on climate change and the organization was awarded Nobel Prize for Peace. ये चेयरमैन थे क्लाइमेट चेंज के पैनल पर एंड उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को भी नोबेल प्राइज दिया गया था. Now moving on to next chapter, famous monuments, chapter 22. Here are the pictures given and we have to identify it correctly. First one is located in Agra. This is Taj Mahal. Second one is located in Delhi and it is Qutub Minar. Third one is located in Sanchi. This is Sanchi Stupa. Fourth one is located in Tirupati. It is Venkateshwar Temple. Fifth is located in Hyderabad and it is Charminar. Sixth is located in Delhi and it is Red Fort. Seventh is located in Kolkata and it is Victoria Memorial. Eighth one is located in Konark and it is Sun Temple. Ninth one is located in Puri and it is Jagannath Temple. 10th is located in Jaipur and it is Amber Fort. 11th is located in Delhi and it is the Humayun Tomb. 12th is located in Amritsar and it is Golden Temple. 13th is located in Bijapur and it is Gol Gumbaz. 14th is located in Jaipur and it is Hawa Mahal. 15th is located in Fatehpur Sikri and it is Buland Darwaza. Last 16th is located in Delhi and it is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now moving on chapter 23, freedom from British. India won its freedom from the British after a long struggle. We became a free nation on 15th August 1947. We should always remember and pay respect to those who struggled to achieve this goal. इंडिया को फ्रीडम मिला था ब्रिटिश से बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल करने के बाद और हम 15 अगस्त 1947 में एक आज़ाद देश बने थे. इसी वजह से हमें उन सभी लोगों का स्ट्रगल याद रखना चाहिए और अपनी रिस्पेक्ट उनको पे करना चाहिए जिसकी वजह से आज हम आज़ाद हैं. सो few personalities are given, the pictures of few personalities who struggled hard to make India free are given and we have to identify the pictures and write their names. So these are the pictures of the few leaders which are given. First is Mahatma Gandhi, second Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, third is Subhash Chandra Bose, fourth is Bhagat Singh, fifth is Khudiram Bose, sixth is Lala Lajpat Rai, seventh is Bipin Chandra Pal, eighth is Bal Gangadhar Ninth is Rajguru, 10th is B.K. Dutt, 11th is Lal Bahadur Shastri, 12th is Sukhdev, 13th is Chandrasekhar Azad, 14th is Ram Prasad Bismil, 15th is Sarojini Naidu, and 16th is Birsa Munda. These are few of the people who struggled hard to make India a free country. Now, moving on to the next chapter, which is 24. Famous gardens of India. There are many beautiful gardens in India. Some have been built by royals in the past and others are modern. So we have to use the clues and pictures here to identify these gardens. First is located in Bangalore. This garden is located in Bangalore and it is a famous botanical garden which is built in 1889. The name of this garden is Lal Bagh. Second is it is located in Mumbai. It is known for its structure called Boot House. ये अपने structure के लिए जाना जाता है and it is known as Boot House. The name of the garden is Kamla Nehru Park. Third is located on the banks of Dal Lake in Srinagar. It is a terraced Mughal garden built by Asif Khan in 1633. ये श्रीनगर में located है and इसे आसिफ खान ने बनाया था who was a Mughal emperor in 1633. The name is Nishat Bagh. Fourth is located in Mysore near KRS Dam. It is known for its symmetric and musical fountains. ये मैसूर में है and ये अपने symmetric और musical fountains के लिए जाना जाता है. The name of this garden is Brindavan Garden. Fifth is located in Delhi. It is a garden built by Roshnara Begum, Shahjahan's second daughter. ये garden दिल्ली में located है and इसे शाहजहां की दूसरी बेटी रोशनारा बेगम ने बनवाया था. The name of this garden is Roshnara Bagh. Sixth is located in Delhi in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. It was designed by Edwin Lutyens. The name of the garden is Mughal Garden. Seventh is located in Chandigarh. It is said to be the Asia's largest garden with over 1600 varieties of roses in it. ये गार्डन चंडीगढ़ में है एंड इसे एशिया का लार्जेस्ट गार्डन कहा गया है बिकॉज इसमें 1600 varieties of rose हैं. The name is Rose Garden. Eighth is located in Jodhpur. This palace garden was built in 1929 by Henry Lanchester. ये जोधपुर में लोकेटेड है एंड इसे हेनरी लैनचेस्टर ने 1929 में बनवाया था. द नेम ऑफ दिस गार्डन इज उमैद भवन गार्डन. Ninth one is located in Srinagar. It was constructed by Ali Mardan Khan, a governor of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1632. The name of this garden is Chashme Shahi. 10th is located near Bharatpur, Rajasthan. It has beautiful fountains and water palaces. ये भरतपुर राजस्थान में लोकेटेड है और इसमें बहुत खूबसूरत फाउंटेन्स और वाटर पैलेसेस हैं. द नेम ऑफ दिस गार्डन इज Dug Palace. 11th. This famous bagh lies at the far end of the Dal Lake. It was planned by Emperor Jahangir to please his loving wife Noor Jahan. ये गार्डन दाल लेक के बहुत दूर लोकेट है और इसे एम्परर जहांगीर ने बनवाया था अपनी वाइफ को खुश करने के लिए नूर जहां को. एंड द नेम इज शालीमार बाग. 12th is located in Panchkula and known as Yadavendra Garden. This garden was built by Patiala dynasty rulers. The name of this garden is Pinjore Garden. Now moving on to chapter 25, this is business toppers and we have to match the company and brand names of the great businessmen and women with their names correctly. उनकी companies का business का name match करना है हमें उनके ओनर्स के साथ. फर्स्ट इज N.R. नारायण मूर्ति. ही वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ इन्फोसिस. सेकेंड इज इंदिरा नूई. ही वॉज द चेयरमैन एंड CEO of PepsiCo. थर्ड इज धीरूभाई अंबानी and he is the founder of Reliance Group. Fourth is Jamsetji Tata and he is the founder of Tata Steel Plant. Fifth is Prafulla Chandra Rai and he is the founder of Bengal Chemical and Pharmaceutical Private Limited. Sixth is Azim Premji and he set up the Wipro company. Seventh is Gautam and what he did, he His company is India's largest edible oil brand through a joint venture with Wilmar International Singapore. 8th is Kiran Mazumdar Shaw. He is the chairman and MD of Bicon. 9th is Kushal Pal Singh. He is the CEO of DLF Limited. 10th is Chanda Kochar. Chanda Kochar is the CEO and MD of ICICI Bank. 11th is A.V. Kumar Mangalam Birla and he is the chairman of Aditya Birla. 12th is Jamnalal Bajaj and he is born into a poor Marwari family and established Bajaj company. 13th is Ardeshir Godrej and he set out to revolutionize the Indian lock manufacturing industry and after that he turned to made safes and almiras. 14th is Rai Bahadur Gujarmal and Kedar Nath. What he did, he is the founder of Modi Group of Industries. So children, this is all about today's video. In the next video, we will read another chapters of GK. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Chapter 26 Classical Dancers and Singers. Indian culture of singing and dancing has produced many talented dancers and singers which follow the classical tradition. We have to identify and write their names with the help of the clues given. So first is a Carnatic vocalist, first musician awarded with Bharat Ratna. ये एक vocalist हैं जो singing करती हैं and इन्हें first musician थी जिन्हें award दिया भारत रत्न award से नवाजा गया था. She is M.S. Subbulakshmi. Second one is a कुचिपुड़ी dancer, guru and choreographer. ये एक कुचिपुड़ी dancer है, guru है और choreographer है. He is Raja Reddy. Third is a Hindustani classical music exponent, well-known singer of ghazal, दादरा and ठुमरी. एक हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूजिक एक्सपोनेंट हैं जो कि अपने गज़ल, दादरा और ठुमरी गाने के लिए जानी जाती हैं. शी इज़ बेगम अख्तर. फोर्थ, अ वर्ल्ड रिनाउंड कथक डांसर ऑफ कोलकाता, बिंदादिन घराना. He is Birju Maharaj. Fifth, an iconic ghazal singer known as Ghazal King. ये एक iconic ghazal सिंगर हैं जिन्हें ghazal king भी कहा जाता है. He is Jagjit Singh. A world famous हिंदुस्तानी classical singer. ये एक world famous हिंदुस्तानी classical singer हैं. He is Pandit Jasraj. Seventh, an Indian classical dancer and choreographer of Odissi dancing style. She is Sonal Mansingh. Eighth, they are not Manipuri but well known as Manipuri dancers. ये लोग मणिपुरी नहीं हैं बट फिर भी ये मणिपुरी डांसर्स के नाम से जानी जाती हैं. Jhaveri sisters. Moving on to chapter number 27, weird buildings. Architectural structures that are uncommon, strange and sometimes horrible looking are called weird buildings. कुछ आर्किटेक्चरल स्ट्रक्चर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत अनकॉमन से होते हैं, अजीब से, स्ट्रेंज और वियर्ड होते हैं और समटाइम्स हॉरेबल भी होते हैं. उन्हें हम वियर्ड बिल्डिंग्स कहते हैं. यहाँ पर कुछ क्लूज दे रखे हैं अबाउट सम वियर्ड बिल्डिंग्स एंड वी हैव टू नेम देम करेक्टली. फर्स्ट इज अ पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी इन कांसास सिटी. एक पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी है जो कि कांसास सिटी में है. द नेम इज Kansas City Public Library. Second one is located in Guimarães, Portugal. It is a house made to live in. It is a stone house. Third one is probably the most well-known of weird buildings located in Sopot, Poland. It is Krug House. Fourth is a residential building, Montreal, Canada, with houses that looks like stacked boxes. It is Habitat 67. Fifth one is a building in Brussels, Belgium, that looks like atomic structure. A house in Sezimbark Park, Poland, which is built in such a way that it appears upside down. So this is called upside down house. Seventh is a building in New York, USA, that appears like a basket. It is a Langaberger basket building. Eighth one is a building that is very strange in appearance, located in Ontario, Canada, and which houses the Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum. It is Ripley's Believe in Not Museum. Now moving on to chapter number 28, World of Tribes. We have to match the pictures of the tribals with the tribe they belong to. First is indigenous Polynesians of New Zealand who share many similar traits are called Maoris. This is first one. Second one, wandering. This is first one. Second one is wandering tribes of Arabia and North Africa called Bedouins. Third is tribal inhabitants of North America and Eastern Siberia, Russia are called Eskimos. Indigenous tribes called Mayans. The Bantu speaking people of South Africa are called Zulus. A dominant group of people in Hungary are called Magyars. Hunter-gatherer tribes from Paraguay and Bolivia called the Ayoreo. A major Turkic group of people living in Asia and Europe called Tatars. Now moving on chapter number 29, religious structures. Many structures have been built by people of various countries for worship all over the world. These structures show below are sacred for millions of people. ये religious structures यहाँ दे रखे हैं and we have to name them correctly according to the statements given to describe them. First one is a गुरुद्वारा situated on the mountains of उत्तराखंड in चमोली district. ये एक गुरुद्वारा है जो कि चमोली डिस्ट्रिक्ट के माउंटेन्स में है. इट इज सिचुएटेड एट अ हाइट ऑफ ओवर 15,000 फीट. इट इज बिल्ड बिसाइड अ सरोवर जो कि एक सरोवर के साइड में बनाया गया है एंड इसके चारों ओर 7 माउंटेन्स हैं. श्री गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जो हैं द 10th गुरु ऑफ सिक्स इज सेड टू हैव मेडिटेट हियर. ऐसा माना जाता है जो श्री गुरु गोबिंद सिंह हैं सिक्स के 10th गुरु, उन्होंने यहाँ पर मेडिटेशन किया था अपनी प्रीवियस लाइफ में. द नेम ऑफ दिस रिलीजियस स्ट्रक्चर इज श्री हेमकुंड साहिब. Second one is a temple, one of the holiest Hindu temples. It is dedicated to the Lord Shiva. It is situated in the Garhwal Himalayan range near the river Mandakini in Uttarakhand. This temple was affected by heavy floods and landslides in 2013. ये एक one of the holiest हिंदू temples है जो कि लॉर्ड शिवा को डेडिकेटेड है. ये गढ़वाल हिमालयन रेंज में रिवर मंदाकिनी के पास लोकेटेड है उत्तराखंड में. और 2013 में ये बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्ट हुआ था बाढ़ आने से और लैंडस्लाइड्स होने से. इट्स नेम इज़ Kedarnath. This temple is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Bodh Gaya where Buddha is said to have attained enlightenment. It has the famous Bodhi tree Mahabodhi temple. ये टेम्पल जो है यूनेस्को की वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट भी माना जाता है जो कि बोध गया में है जहाँ पर बुद्धा ने अपना एनलाइटमेंट अटेन किया था. यहाँ पर एक बोधि ट्री भी है. इट इज़ नोन एज महाबोधि टेम्पल. फोर्थ, दिस इज वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट synagogue in Jerusalem, Israel. Its main sanctuary hosts a large number of worshippers and can be accommodate 10,000 people. The name is Belz-Ret. Now, this church is the world's largest चर्च. ये वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट चर्च है जो कि यामोसुक्रो में सिचुएटेड है. इट कवर्स द फ्लोर एरिया ऑफ 30,000 स्क्वायर मीटर. इट इज़ बेसिलिक नॉट्र डेम de la Paix. Sixth is a Jain temple, world famous, located between जोधपुर एंड उदयपुर. ये एक जैन टेम्पल है जो कि जोधपुर और उदयपुर के बीच में लोकेटेड है. इट इज़ डेडिकेटेड टू Tirthankara Adinath. Its architecture is entirely Western Indian. It has 44 marble pillars. All pillars are differently carved and no two pillars are same. It is Ranakpur Jain temple. Seventh, this temple is the most visited temple with around 4 crore annual pilgrims counting here. It was built under the rule of Krishnadev Raya. It is situated in the hill town of Tirumala at Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. ये सबसे ज़्यादा visited temple है. यहाँ पे around 4 करोड़ pilgrims आते हैं अब for their pilgrimage. ये कृष्णदेव राया के रूल में बनाया गया था. The name is Venkateshwar Tirupati Balaji. Eighth, this mosque is the largest mosque in the world. It is situated in Makkah. ये सबसे दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी मॉस्क है जो कि मक्का में है. It can accommodate about 12 lakh pilgrims at the same time. और एक टाइम में 12 लाख लोग यहाँ पर अपना पिलग्रिम कर सकते हैं. It is built around one of the most sacred places of Islam, the Kaaba. और ये काबा के अराउंड बनी हुई है. द मुस्लिम्स विजिट दिस प्लेस फॉर हज. और मुस्लिम्स लोग हज करने के लिए यहाँ पर आते हैं. इट इज़ मस्जिद अल हरम. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर सिलेबस. नाउ द सिलेबस इज कंप्लीट. यू स्टार्ट रिवाइजिंग फॉर योर एग्जाम्स नाउ.